Your fingers hover over the home row while the cursor blinks like a heartbeat on a dark screen. This is where productivity goes to either fly or die. People get into huge fights about text editors because these tools aren't just software. They are extensions of your brain. They change how you think about logic and structure. Let's look at the classic heavyweight that started it all. It sits there on every server you will ever touch. It's fast. It's stable. It is essentially the bedrock of terminal coding. If you have ever accidentally gotten stuck inside it, you know exactly what I am talking about. It forces you to learn a language of movement. You do not just type. You perform surgery on your code. This is for the person who wants zero bloat. No distractions. Just pure, unadulterated speed. It is pre-installed on almost every machine. That reliability is its greatest strength. However, it lacks the shiny features of modern tools out of the box. You have to work for your comfort. Then the world changed. A new contender stepped out from the shadow of the original. This fork takes everything great about the classic and makes it modern. It uses a scripting language that feels like it belongs in this century. You get these incredible plugins that make it feel like a high-end development environment. It is snappy. It is sleek. It is for the builder who wants that retro keyboard speed but needs the bells and whistles of modern tech. The community is massive. They are constantly pushing what is possible. It requires a bit more setup than its predecessor. You have to spend time tweaking your configuration files, but the result is a custom-tailored experience. Then we have the true giant of the field. This is not just an editor. It is a complete computing environment. It is a lifestyle choice. It is basically a whole computer living inside a single window. You want to check your email? You do it there. You want to manage your calendar? You do it there. You want to write a novel or organize your whole life? It is all right there. It uses a special kind of scripting that lets you change every single atom of how it works. It is heavy though. It takes a second to breathe before it starts up. It is for the person who never wants to leave their workspace. The learning curve is a mountain, but the view from the top is a custom world built exactly for your hands. Some people want the purity of the minimalist approach. They want a tool that stays the same for decades. Others want the cutting edge. They want the newest features and the best performance. Then you have the architects. They want to build the house they live in. Choosing one is about knowing who you are as a creator. Do you want a scalpel? Do you want a multi-tool? Or do you want a whole workshop? If you value a lightweight footprint and being able to work anywhere, stick to the basics. If you want a modern flow with deep customization, look at the fork. If you want to live inside your machine, the old giant is your home. Every keystroke is a choice. Every shortcut is a habit. You are not just writing lines of text. You are building a relationship with the machine. These editors require patience. They require a willingness to fail. But once you find the one that speaks your language, you will never look back. The command line is a quiet place until you start typing. Make sure the tool you use makes that noise worth it. Whether you are hacking on a remote server or building the next big app, your editor defines your day. It is the bridge between your thoughts and the screen. Some prefer the heritage of the original. Others need the power of the fork. And a few brave souls want the absolute control of the total environment. There is no wrong answer here. There is only the tool that lets you stay in the zone.